Hello guys, this is a 2015 Subaru Legacy. Has been making a lot of funny noises, and I was able to trace that back to the heat shield here. So what I did was going to Home Depot and getting a clamp dryer hose clamp. You can get this at the auto store. You cannot, they don't have a big one like this, so go straight to Ace Hardware or Home Depot or Lowe's and get this dryer hose clamp, and then once you clamp it up, the noise will be gone. I drove it and there's no more noise. So hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it.